Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I have a pretty cool video for you guys. We are going to be taking a look at this package from Humixx. Now, big shout out and thank you to them for sending this out free for review. This is also a sponsored video, so let's get right into this. So here is the package. As you guys can see, not a whole lot going on here, just a clean white box. You can see the outline of kind of the product here. This looks really good. So let's go ahead, open it up and see what it's all about. So we will slice right through there. Very satisfying. And here we go. So let's open it up from the top here and see what we've got. Okay, looks like we have to pull it out this way. And there it is. Nothing else in the box. We can set that off to the side. And this kit looks like it has everything you need to protect your phone. So let's see what we've got. We've got an installation guide, which is for the screen protector portion, I believe. So you guys can see there, in case you lose your manual, you guys can pause the screen and read this. Looks easy enough. Here is the case, I believe. Packaged up very nicely. Wow, this feels very substantial. Heavy duty case here. It says it will never yellow. It looks very clear on camera, as you guys can see. No issues at all with that, but we will put this on the phone here in a minute, give it a test. Over here, we've got possibly a lanyard piece. I'm gonna have to check that out. We've also got 2 screen protectors, so they are not skimping on that at all here. They've got everything you need, Humixx, and this feels like a very good screen protector. These ones with the black outline here on this thicker plastic are usually really good quality from my experience so far. We'll try it out. I'll let you guys know. Here is the installation toolkit. Wet wipes, sticky labels, dust removal stickers, and dry wipes are included. So let's open that up just to take a look. I want to unbox everything to show you guys what is included with this kit. I was just shocked at how affordable this is. So we've got the wet wipes here in a nice package here that's branded with Humixx. Some sticky labels right there, microfiber, as well as it looks like some dust absorbers. So set that to the side. Here is the lanyard cable, also included. They give you everything. Another installation toolkit for the other screen protector, as well as a guide for when you are using it. Personally, I do not install any screen protectors anymore without one of these. So these are very useful. So let me go ahead and tidy this up. We'll first check out the screen protector and then we will put on the case and check out the full package of everything. All right, guys, here we go. We have all of the tools laid out in front of us. We've got the screen protector, we've got the installation kit, we got the phone, and we've got the applicator here. So let's start with the toolkit right here. We'll pop that open. As you guys can see, we have the sticky labels, we have the wet wipes, and we have the dust absorbers right here, as well as the microfiber. So step 1 is going to be wiping this down. So let me get the wet wipe out here. Let's make sure it's actually wet, because I have seen some products ship with dry wet wipes. Nope, this one is not dry at all. This is very wet and even smells kind of lemony. So that's pretty nice. So let's go ahead and wipe down the phone. And you guys should do this a little more thoroughly than I'm doing it. I am just behind a bunch of camera equipment and yeah, so it's kind of difficult for me to do this, but you get the idea. So you wipe it down first with that and then clean it up with the microfiber that's included, get all the dust off of there and kind of inspect it, make sure there's no smudges or anything. That is very important. Next up, I'm going to peel one of these off here if I can. So these are very staticky, and what these will do is pick up any of the leftover little dust particles. If you see any, definitely use this on it and it will pick those right up. There we go. It is looking pretty good. There are possibly a couple dust specks, but like I said, I'm in a studio here. It's not going to be perfect, but what you would do, go over this a few times, make sure there's no dust, nothing. Then after that, you're going to take this tool right here, stick it on just like so from top to bottom. And once it is locked into place, you can set this down and then we can grab the screen protector itself. Here it is, feeling very premium. Let's go ahead and peel this right off. And again, don't be doing this right on top of the phone because there could be dust particles that are falling on there right now. But yes, so here we are. Let's go ahead and just line it up. And all you have to do is just set it in there. That's it, you just plop it in. Run your finger down the middle. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, there's a little dust particle right there that I missed. But wow, that is so easy. This is seriously one of the easiest installs I think I've ever done. Look at that. It is flawless, besides that little speck there, which might actually go away within 24 hours. You saw me just drop it in there. I didn't line anything up, I just put it in there. And that's literally all there is to it. There is one dust speck there, which probably happened when I was, showing this on top of it. You guys just make sure there's no dust specks before you plop it on, and that's it. This is a flawless install. Look at how good and precise this is. Let me get the camera to focus here so you guys can see. Look around these edges. Look at how precise that is. That cutout right there for your speaker all the way around. It's perfect. So this is a major win. In the old days, putting these screen protectors on was so difficult, but these applicators have made it so easy. I literally will not use a screen protector or install one if it doesn't come with one of these. Pretty much foolproof. You can't really mess it up. If we look real close at the phone itself with the screen protector installed, if I feel the screen protector, it feels just like the stock glass. It's actually slicker, so it feels like brand new glass. You guys can see I'm touching it all over. There's no fingerprints. There is a really good oleophobic coating on here. And just a couple of pro tips. If you do get a couple of air bubbles, not like this is an actual piece of dust, I think, but just an air bubble, oftentimes after 24 hours, those air bubbles will start to dissipate. So just give it some time. This one might actually get smaller as the air kind of moves away from the piece of dust, but this looks awesome. Next up, I'm gonna do a clarity check on this screen protector and make sure everything looks good. All right, guys, the phone is booted back up, and I personally like to have my phone off when I do screen protector installs. Look at how flawless this is. There are no issues with this screen whatsoever. It looks super clear, it feels really good. There's no issues with the touch sensitivity or anything. This is a very good, well-made screen protector. Let's move on to the case and we can talk about that one. All right, guys, so here is the case. It also comes with one of these lanyard holders as well as the lanyard itself. So let's go ahead and install all of these. So first up, let's take a look at the case itself. Super clear, claims to never yellow. It looks heavy duty. The back is kind of hard and the sides are a little squishy, so they have a little bit of give to them. Let's make sure we install this first with this piece here. So this is going to be for the lanyard. So you just stick it on the inside there, locks into place. Next step is to just press it into the case like so. Make sure this lanyard piece does not slide back in. There we go. Very easy to do. And the case is now on. The lanyard piece is set. And let's take a look around the case itself. As you can see, it is raised just a bit there. Nothing crazy, but this has the screen protector installed, so it is still a little bit raised, which is great. The buttons, as you guys can see, have a texture, so you'll always find it. It says Humixx right there on the side. We've got the lanyard piece. We've also got great raisability on the camera itself. No issues there. Power button has a little bit of grip. There's also a tiny bit of grip along the sides here. Your hand goes, you're gonna have some grip there as well. Right here, let's check out the lanyard. Let's go ahead and clip this on. Obviously this is secured in there. It can't go anywhere. So we'll just clip this right here. And just like that, we have a lanyard. We can wear this however we want. It's going nowhere. Super sturdy, super strong, and it's pretty much invisible. You can't really see it. You guys can see the earpiece cutout up there, cutouts down here. Everything looks good. This case is awesome. If you're looking for a clear case, this has it all. Like I said, lanyard and everything is included, as well as the screen protector. For the price, it's hard to beat. So guys, go check this product out. Links down below. It does not break the bank at all. It comes with pretty much everything you need if you just bought a new phone or just got one as a gift and you like clear cases and you want to protect your screen, and hey, maybe you want a lanyard as well. This is the way to go. Check it out. Really awesome product. Like I said, links down below. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.